In this video, we introduced the Quick Compare function for microscopy data as part of our 2024 Opus 9 release. In macroscopic measurements, Quick Compare allows users to quickly create methods that compare measured spectra to a personalized set of reference data with one click. Now, microscopy users can also enjoy this feature. We will demonstrate this by identifying specific mineral grains in a geological sample. After performing the method, we receive a detailed chemical image highlighting all spodumene grains in the sample. You can combine Quick Compare with Find Particle to create a particle list with essential details for each grain, such as area, length, and width. The list is directly linked to the particles in the image, making data navigation intuitive and seamless. As demonstrated with this microplastic sample, you can also equip your Quick Compare method with multiple references to generate extensive statistics and document your results in customized reports. To learn how to create Quick Compare methods, check out the video description. For more information on this feature and its applicability, visit our website or contact your local sales support.